3 tips that do not fail to conquer a guy without you noticing. It will seem difficult, but seducing and conquering a man is not complicated. You just have to know the clear points and follow the appropriate advice to do it in a subtle way and not look bad before him. There are some basic tricks that will help you, without a doubt, to conquer that boy that you like so much. To know, you have to keep watching. 1. Always smile. At this point, you have to look as natural as possible. Forget about the long and feigned smiles, because your face should always have a warm, friendly, and flirtatious expression. Discard the looks that insinuate more than necessary and seek to transmit only confidence and security. Then you will realize that this is key to achieving a connection with anyone. 2. Delicate caresses. Seek to accidentally brush his arms or hands, but if you barely go out with him, avoid touching his leg or knee at all cost. Men associate any caress below the waist with sex, so you can cause a misunderstanding by sending the wrong signal. 3. Speak softly. We do not want to say that you spend all the time whispering in his ear, but at key moments. For example, when you are on a special date, in a warm and romantic place where you can approach and lower the tone of voice. With this, you will have gotten him to not stop thinking about you. Do you dare to put them into practice? Source: http://www.whatthegirl.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 tips that do not fail to conquer a guy without you noticing, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.